Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off haptics, so how to turn off the vibration. So if you're not the biggest fan of this vibration feedback, which is quite loud and quite annoying, especially if you're using those navigation buttons, etc., we can quickly turn it off completely. So first of all, let's open the settings. And here in this left section, let's scroll and find sound and vibration. Then scroll down and localize the option vibration and haptics. So as you can see here, we've got this general option which we can turn off, and just by tapping on this switcher here, and thanks to it now your device won't use any kind of vibration feedback. However, be aware, because at the same time you're also turning off for example, ring vibration or or the notification vibration. So probably you don't want to do it. If you wish to turn off only the haptics, so the vibration feedback for the touch, simply scroll down a little bit, and as you can see here, we've got this section interactive haptics. So first of all, I highly recommend to turn off touch feedback, and then you can also turn off media vibration, but it's basically up to you. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and now your device will not use the haptic feedback. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.